What's up guys, Eden here, back with another video, and today I will be showing you the elephant toothpaste experiment that I did this month, and it went really well. I hope you enjoy it. You can do it at home if you have an adult. So here we got an old juice bottle that we cut in half so we can pour things easily into it. Our first ingredient is hydrogen peroxide liquid. We have 50 milliliters of 30% solution. And now we have our second ingredient, 14 grams of potassium iodide, saturated in water. Here I am adding a little bit of water to it, half. Now we have to shake it until it fully dissolves. Here I am pouring dishwashing liquid into an old bottle cap, approximately 1 spoonful. Now I am adding the dishwashing liquid carefully down the side of the bottle that has hydrogen peroxide in it. You can choose any color of food coloring you want. We chose red and blue, trying to make purple, but apparently it didn't really turn out purple. Then we add it into the mixture and mix it with a spoon. And now, carefully, watch. Go! Oh my God, that was... Obviously, we didn't expect such a success.
Look at that green. Oh wow, that was really fast. Whoa, look at that.
A bit more and it would have come out. That's so cool.
That was pretty cool. That was very cool. Ooh.
So Eden, how was the experience?
It was really good, like 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
I
Would you recommend?
Yes, I have never tried this before.
Yeah?
Yep, that was the elephant toothpaste experiment. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope that you had an amazing afternoon or morning or day.
Woo!